Hello everyone. Waking up with neck pain? Your pillow might be the problem. Let me tell you about Mellow Cloud Align. Most pillows are just flat rectangles that don't support your neck right. You end up folding them, stacking them, or waking up stiff. That's because regular pillows don't fit how your body actually sleeps. The Cloud Align has 3 special zones. The center holds your head, the side cushions to your shoulders, and the neck area keeps your spine straight. It's designed by real chiropractors, not just pillow companies. Plus, it has 2 different heights in one pillow. One side is 3.5 inches, the other is 4.5. You just flip it to find what works for you. The foam inside is memory foam that bounces back every morning. It won't go flat like cheap pillows. The cover stays cool all night, so no more flipping to the cold side. And it's tested safe for skin, which matters if you have allergies. The side wings are cut out so your arm doesn't go numb when you sleep on your side. People say they notice a difference from the first night. Less tossing and turning. No more neck stiffness in the morning. Some even say their snoring stopped. Your body might need a few nights to adjust if you've been using bad pillows for years, but most people feel better by night 5. It's not cheap compared to regular pillows, and shipping can take a while. And if you have serious spine problems, you should talk to your doctor first. This is a comfort tool, not a medical device. If neck pain is messing up your sleep, this pillow is worth trying. It comes with a 30-day guarantee, so you can test it risk-free. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.